Everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you a comparison between Interactive Brokers and Lightyear. So, the average scores are both the same, but they both have stock and shares, and only Lightyear has cash ISAs. And after interacting and using the app for a bit, the both apps, Interactive Broker has a better customer service than Lightyear, in my opinion, because that is what I felt when I was using the application. So, yeah, both apps are similar, but the Interactive Broker, as per the name, takes the lead because of the excellent customer service it provides rather than the Lightyear service that I was provided with, that I was not fully satisfied with. That's why I will simply tell that, in my opinion, Interactive Brokers is a better option if you're a beginner starting to learn this way of financial decisions. On In the option of Lightyear and Interactive Brokers, I will recommend Interactive Brokers. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. This is my recommendation and this is the comparison between the two. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.